What began as a child rescue mission turned into a deadly gunfight, and the biggest surprise came after the shooting stopped. On January 28, 2026, Knoxville Police Department Special Crimes detectives tracked a 15-year-old girl who was the subject of a Tennessee Endangered Child Alert to an apartment in the 5300 block of Tillery Road in Knoxville, Tennessee. Investigators believed she was inside with 46-year-old Angel Melendez, who was not related to her and was wanted on warrants for concealing a runaway child, contributing to the delinquency of a minor, and theft of a firearm. At approximately 10:25 a.m., members of the Knoxville Police Department's Special Operations Squad approached the apartment, repeatedly knocked, and announced their presence, before entering with the property owner's consent to safely recover the missing juvenile and arrest Melendez. What happened next was captured on multiple officers' body cameras. We now go to Officer 1 and his body camera perspective.
Police Department! Police Department, come to the door! Knoxville Police! Police Department! Angel! Police Department! Knoxville Police! Police Department! Police Department! Hands up now! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Gun! Hands up! Gun! Drop it! Get her out! Get her out! Out! I got it! Bravo 1. Bravo 1 to Echo 1.
Watch carefully. From Officer 2's body camera perspective, you'll witness the moment the rescue operation takes another shocking turn, as the 15-year-old girl suddenly attacks Officer Terry Crowe with a large knife.
That's the police! Police! Hands up now! Hands up now! Hands up! Get your hands up! Gun! 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 Gun!
Before we return to the body camera footage from the other officers on scene, let's take a closer look at what unfolded and why it matters. From a tactical perspective, this incident is a powerful reminder that even a well-planned rescue operation can turn into a deadly force encounter in a matter of seconds. As officers moved in to recover the missing juvenile, Melendez produced a handgun and pointed it at them, instantly turning a rescue mission into a deadly force encounter, leaving officers only a split second to react. But the danger wasn't over. Seconds after the shooting, the 15-year-old girl attacked Officer Terry Crowe with a large knife, striking him in the head. Fortunately, his ballistic helmet absorbed the impact, preventing what could have been a catastrophic injury. Officers immediately secured her without further violence, demonstrating the importance of maintaining security until every person at the scene has been safely controlled. We now return to the body camera footage from the other officers on scene.
That's the police! Police! Hands up now! Hands up now! Keep moving. Hands up! Hands up! Gun! 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 Drop it! Hey, get her out! Get her out! Get her out! 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 I got it! I got it! Bravo 1. Bravo 1 to Echo 1. I got it! I got it! 432 to dispatch. Right hand, right hand. Officer involved, 1081. Word code J. Start me at 47. We got one suspect down. Female is secured. Everybody hold what you got. Echo 1, can you see me inside the street?
Melendez was pronounced dead at the scene after being struck by officer gunfire. The 15-year-old girl was safely recovered, transported to a local hospital for evaluation, and later taken into protective custody. After Melendez pointed a firearm at officers, they responded with deadly force. Under Graham versus Connor, the constitutionality of an officer's use of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer confronting the circumstances at the time, not with the benefit of hindsight. At the time this video was produced, no public legal determination had been announced. This is Texas Safety Watch. where we break down what legally matters, what tactically matters, and the lessons that can be learned from critical incidents across the country. Until next time, stay aware, stay safe, and God bless. We'll see you in the next case.